how to get Telegram Premium or how to upgrade to Telegram Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get or upgrade to Telegram Premium. Now the process is similar on both Android and iOS device or Android and iPhone. So let me guide you through quickly. You want to simply open up your Telegram application and you should get an interface like this right once you're logged into your account. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it you shall get an interface like this, and at the bottom here at the third last option you can see the settings option. You want to simply tap on the settings option. Now once you tap on settings option you shall be able to see your profile information. If you scroll down further below you can see the Telegram Premium option there with the purple icon, the star icon. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to see the Telegram Premium. Now you can either select annual or you can select monthly. Now monthly cost $5 per month, while your annual will cost $35 per year, 35.99. that's almost 36. So you want to simply tap on subscribe option at the bottom of your screen, and then you can add in your payment method, add credit or debit card, and you can make a payment and get the Telegram Premium. So this way you can upgrade to Telegram Premium. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.